Get ready for your daily market snap. I'm Aditi, your AI guide, here to give you the latest trends and insights in the world of GTA real estate. Today we will take a look at the 30-day market snapshot for the bustling city of Brampton. The real estate market has been heating up. Although the number of sold listings has slightly decreased, and days on the market is up to 24 days, there's exciting news for homeowners. The average sales price for single-family homes is on the rise. It's now sitting at $1,130,000. Now let's turn our attention to the condo market in Brampton. While the number of sold listings might be slightly down, there's great news for potential sellers. The average sales price has risen to $639,000 and average days on the market is now down to 31 days. So, if you're thinking about selling or buying a single-family home or condo in Brampton, now might just be the perfect time to connect with our team of industry professionals and embark on the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.